Hello, for those looking for help with eczema, I have some helpful tips. Unfortunately, we can't rely on our healthcare system to help us with much of anything, so we must look elsewhere for help, and all they can do for us is offer drugs with long lists of side effects to knock out our immune system. So upon my own research and experience, I've found the help I needed, so I'm passing it along. You want to look at a gluten intolerance as the most likely culprit. Reactions to other foods could be at play as well: dairy, eggs, as well as wheat, barley, rye, or oats. These foods trigger the immune system, which show up on the skin. A good rule to follow is what happens on the surface of the skin is what's going on inside the body. Also, a deficiency in fatty acids can be at play. The skin needs fatty acids to optimize its health. Gluten can be in lots of things, so you must be obsessive with reading ingredients, and watch when you eat at restaurants because it's used in all kinds of things as thickeners, so you really have to be careful. Try the elimination diet and take in more fatty acids. Give the skin a little time and you should see positive results. Thank you for watching, and check out my website livewithoutmeds.com for some of the best advice from licensed physicians and products to help you regain control of your health, regardless of your health concern, and join our health revolution in helping others.